Hello bachon, let's read the question. The question says the partial pressure of CO2, that is PCO2, is the highest in A. Trachea, B. Alveoli, C. Tissues, and D. Bronchi. So what is the key concept in this question? The key concept is exchange of gases. Now, in order to exchange the gases, a very important role is played by the partial pressure, that is the pressure exerted by individual gases in a mixture of gas. And we mainly have to consider the partial pressure of CO2 and the partial pressure of oxygen. Gases move from higher partial pressure to lower partial pressure, or we can also say that gases move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now, if we try to arrange the options in a sequence, what we'll get? In the tissues, a lot of CO2 is produced by means of respiration. So the partial pressure of CO2 in the tissues is always very high. Then tissues transfer this CO2 via blood into the alveoli. So partial pressure of CO2 in the alveoli is less. From the alveoli, CO2 is passed to the bronchi, in which partial pressure of CO2 is even less, and from bronchi it is passed to the trachea, where the partial pressure of CO2 is lesser, and trachea passes this to the outside, that is we exhale the CO2 out. So the estimated value of partial pressure of CO2 in tissues, which is very much high, is 45 mm of mercury, and in the alveoli it is about 40 mm of mercury, and then it decreases from bronchi to trachea to outside. So the correct option here is, that is partial pressure of CO2 is the highest in tissues. So the correct option is option C. I hope you understood it well. All the best.